Welcome back. We have today's review is GrubTerra black soldier fly larvae, and we're talking about some protein. These are healthy for your fowl, your reptiles, and for every pound of GrubTerra black soldier fly larvae, you're going to save 20 pounds of food waste that goes into your landfill. So why not give them something that's healthy, makes them have healthy feathers, stronger eggshells? I think it's a winner. So hang on and we'll tell you how they like them all. So we got a sign of approval from these ladies. These are my layers. So we'll be seeing some stronger eggshells any day. So we have GrubTerra black soldier fly larvae for chickens, and don't forget the geese and the ducks. They like them too. Here's my shamu. How about you guys? Would you like to try some black soldier fly larvae? Oh, they like it. They're liking them. I want to thank you for tuning in and watching this all the way. This is Linda with 6 Acres Farm with a GrubTerra review. Go to their website. I'll put the link in the description and take a look at what they have to offer. See ya. Bye.